I offer Emilio house, you know. Cheryl. He was down here, but he fell off. I offer him house. I do. It doesn't look like you're staying today either. You staying today? You're staying today. You're a wet head, sweetie. Morning, Sharky. Mama bear first, darling. I'm sorry. Shell's the queen. You're the lady who runs it all, who keeps everything together. The spirit guide of guides. To allow you to eat and feast from my hand of gift. Morning, Sharky. Yeah, so I'll just put some here. Just in case Sharky wants to come. You want to get them, Sharky? Yeah. I love you very much, Cheryl. My priority is you. Your turn, Sharky. Good boy. You're a good boy, Sharky. That's so kind of you to wait your turn, you know. Gee, that was kind today. It's the sweetest thing I've seen. No hustle and bustle, just gently waited your turn. Oh, careful. I'm proud of you, mate. Looks like everyone's growing up a bit today. All of us. You're a good man. Thank you for your kindness today. That was really nice to see. Okay. Now if you want to come get the rest, I'll leave them here for you, okay? You have a good day. All yours. All yours, Sharky. Love ya.